These bugs kill my plants.
Kevin, what are you doing?
Yeah, don't you know that pesticides are harmful and non-environmentally friendly?
What? No one ever told me that. What is pesticides?
Alright, let's go downstairs and discuss this.
Okay.
So Kevin, pesticide is a substance used to destroy, repel, or mitigate any pest. It is similar to insecticide, but it also applies to herbicides, fungicides, and other substances used for the same purpose.
But I use this at home. It seems effective killing my unwanted bugs, especially around my plants.
It might kill unwanted pests and keep your plants clean from them, but it also kills beneficial insects that pollinate flowers and spiders, which eat insects that are harmful to the plants. The spiders also eat mosquitoes and flies, which are irritating to us and can sometimes carry diseases.
Pesticide is harmful to animals and our environment. It is highly soluble in water, which means it dissolves easily. Some can move with water in surface runoff and run into our water systems, while less soluble pesticides move through the soil in water. Insoluble pesticides have a value of 100 parts per million or less, while very soluble pesticides have values greater than 1,000 parts per million. Also, pesticides have high absorption, meaning that it binds to inorganic and organic particles in the soil, also known as soil colloids. This is because there is attraction between the positive molecules with positive charges in the chemical of the pesticide and the negatively charged soil particles. And some pesticides have high persistence, which means it could remain present and active in its original form before degrading. Persistent pesticides could harm sensitive plants, animals, and even humans. They also could drift, leach, or run off into our water systems and pollute them. The volatility of pesticides is significant as well. Volatility refers to pesticides being able to turn to gas or vapor. Higher temperature and increase of wind increases the likelihood of pesticide to be volatile. Pesticides with high vapor pressure values have more potential to be volatile. Vapor from the pesticide may be carried off by the wind and puts susceptible plants at risk.
Wow, I never realized how harmful pesticides were.
Wait, it gets worse. Everyday people who use pesticide on their plants are not the main cause of pesticide pollution. Farmers are the ones who use pesticides in large quantities and very often on the crops to repel bugs. Bugs eating their crops and end up polluting the actual plants with toxic material, which the plants absorb. 98% of the fruits we eat have pesticide toxins in them. Farmers also feed their livestock with the toxic crops. Toxic material carries on to the animals, which become the meat we consume.
Wow guys, thanks for informing me about the dangerous effects of pesticides. I will surely look more into it and find other ways to protect my plants from these bugs. Bye guys.
Bye.
See you, Kevin.
What's up guys?
Hey Kevin.
Hi, Kevin.
Well, I did some research and found a solution for this pesticide problem. I think one big solution is to look for pesticide products that kill pests but doesn't harm the sensitive plants. We can try to look for products that could degrade in a span of 1 to 3 days instead of a long period, so it won't remain in our soil and plants that cause long-term damage to the soil and plants. We should also be more careful handling these chemicals, especially outside, so it doesn't drift, leach, or run off into the ground sinks in our waterways. You know what guys, I don't even need to use pesticides. I don't even want to hurt my plants.
Good thinking, Kevin.
Yeah, good job.
Thanks.